So there are two things that you can try if your Frigidaire ice maker is not working. What you can try to do first is completely unplug it. So what you want to do, unplug it, and then press and hold the on and off button, and then plug it back in. So what you want to do is unplug the ice maker, and then what you want to do, while you're going to hold the on and off button, you want to put the cable back in. This is the first thing that you can try. And the second thing that you can try is just like completely unplug it, leave it for like 2-3 minutes, and then plug it back in, and then turn it on and off. This is another thing that you can try. And the third thing that you can try, maybe this is going to work, is let it completely defrost for like 2-3 hours. Just disconnect it from electric and let it completely defrost, and then after 2-3 hours, when it's going to be defrosted, then just put it back to the power, and then try to turn it on, and maybe it's going to work out. So maybe some of it is going to help you. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.